Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 30th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir had a very interesting day. We closed only 5 cents up at 25.76. Post-market, we are up 1 cent. We went pretty high. Look at this here. So we have a super long wick at the top, very small wick at the bottom. So the stock was really squashed down during the day. It's going to be interesting to take a look at it on the 1 hour chart. So we had a high of 26.60, but we managed to close at 25.76, pretty much right on the resistance we had at 25.74. So again, that 25.74 is really useful because it's taken into account yet once again. Let me go see to the 1 hour chart. So this is the 9:30 candle, nice green candle, and just went down ever since. Not very interesting. MACD crossed over bearish right here. Look at stochastic going down to 60. So I guess the move that we had is almost over. Short term, it's almost over because this is what we have here. We could have done this support right here, support right here. If I do it here, it's broken. And if I do it here, yeah, this is the better way of doing it. We still have broken support. So broken that support. So this is now a resistance, and we can say that we are still above 25.74. So that's the support that's holding. Of course, I don't like to see MACD crossing over, and I don't like seeing the stochastic going down like that. But it might just be very temporary because this is the 1 hour chart. So the 1 hour chart is showing a lot more ups and downs than the daily chart. And I'm called the Daily Trader, so I focus a little bit more on the daily chart. So let's look at the indicators on the daily chart. Yes, everything is all good. MACD still increasing. Stochastic still over 80. That's good news. DMI also improving. And let's look at our RSI. We had the RSI broke out of the resistance, so it's still above. So in terms of strength, we see that it's still above the resistance. It's not really above that level here because this is the level that we were at when we started this congestion. And even though we closed higher, the RSI has not gone higher. So that's a little bit of a negative. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens tomorrow. We still have this support here in play. This is the support that we have in play, this diagonal support. We don't obey to 25.74. Let me put the text in the right color. So if we don't obey to 25.74, we might be coming down a little bit. And we also have a support at 25.11. So the stock has been rejected badly today. It's not impossible that we just do a little bit of a retest here. It's not impossible that we do this also. But to me, I think it's going down a little bit tomorrow. But who am I to know? I cannot predict the future. I am only trying to predict the trends. When the trends start, trend tend to continue by definition. So we still have this upper trend here, this bullish trend, and we are still within the lower part of this bullish channel. So even if we have a little bit of a downturn tomorrow or in a couple of days, then we might still keep going towards that resistance here. So let's not let the short term cloud our long term. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I produce a Tesla and Palantir video every weekday. I also produce a weekly Tesla and Palantir combined video during the weekend for the analysis of these two stocks using the weekly chart. So technical analysis can be done on any time frame during the weekend on the weekly chart for people that want to have a longer term outlook on the stock. So you can join and get access to that for $5 a month. So I'm gonna wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm gonna tell you à la prochaine.